in your shoes? Me too. What are you doing, Davy? He's working on his workbooks, aren't you? What are you coloring orange?
Carrots.
How many?
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
The future. We'll take Hollywood's biggest actors. Go out there and find him.
Well, reliable. Damn it!
On February 5th comes the most surprising comedy of the year.
Is it hard? Squeezing it like that?
It's part of the job, yes. Hail Caesar, rated PG-13.
Hey guys, so as you guys know, my husband's gone now. He's almost safe to where he needs to go in Missouri. A little bit longer. He should get there soon. So it's taken him like 2 days with the snow and everything, but at least he's safe. We're pretty stuck here, and it's crappy, especially I feel especially isolated since he just left. I mean, I could technically get out, but there's not much to do, and it's literally disgusting out. First of all, the gym's daycare's closed, so I couldn't do that today, so I'm really antsy, and I'm a lot more productive when I can work out. But also, it's just disgusting out. It's like sleety, and the snow is more like slushy, so you just get soaking wet, and there's so much wind that David's just like freaking out because it's all in his face. So we're kind of stuck inside. But I was being kind of lazy all day. Finally, I got up and I cleaned up the house and did my makeup. I am doing this for a review of Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and also I sort of did a face of the day using my favorite products of 2015 since I never did a post on that. So I'm going to prepare those 2 blog posts tonight, along with one about some weeknight dinner ideas. So I think that'd be a good thing to do tonight. I'm also going to do some like pamper stuff. I'm going to take a bath, do a face mask, and maybe my nails and stuff. And then, but before I do all that, I am going to cook kale kielbasa soup, which I've shown the recipe on the blog before. So if I remember, I'll link it down below, the recipe, but I'll show you guys how that turns out. Do my makeup, there's like none left, just to remove it all. That's okay. So today I used the Manuka Doctor Purifying Facial Peel. So then I'm going to try out this beauty balm on like my fingers, my cuticles, my hands, and my elbows. I'm going to put coconut oil in my hair and sleep in it overnight because I really need that. And then I'm going to try out this Korres Wild Rose. It's the Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial. I'm so excited. I need a good moisturizer, and I think I'm going to love this. I've just been waiting to try it because I had so many new things. My skin can like have allergic reactions pretty often. This is what it looks like. It's so thick, and it smells so good too. And then I'm going to paint my nails, maybe my toes too, with Essie's ballet slippers. Just so girly tonight. David, do you like the snow?
Yes.
It's like not bad in the slightest, and nobody's out.
Snowball.
A snowball? Let's see.
Snowball. Do I make a snowman?
A snowman? That'll take a lot of work. I'll help you. Hey, so my in-laws just came and picked up little David. I was talking to my husband. I was like, I really, really want to go to the gym, but the daycare's closed. And I didn't know how snowed in some people are because other people's driveways, like I know my in-laws, they get a lot of wind and they're more like back in the woods. So our driveway's perfectly fine, but I didn't know about theirs. And I just feel bad asking people for favors, but I'm going to have to get used to that while my husband's gone. So he kind of told them that I wanted to go to the gym. So they called and they picked him up. So I'm so happy that I can go and get out for a little bit and do that because that's all I really want to do today. So then I'll come back and be in a better mood to clean a little bit and watch the Panthers play and, yeah, get some more blog stuff done. The usual stuff that I do literally every day. I don't understand. I feel like I see daily vloggers and they never clean their house. And I'm like, if I don't do, like, some cleaning every day, like, my house is insane. Like, I don't get it. But like I said, I'm about to go to the gym. I did make some, it's going to be like a rice, bean, my version of like a Chipotle bowl or something. I don't know. Burrito bowl. But I'm going to wait to eat it till after the gym now that they came and picked him up. So I'll show you guys what I do at the gym and then everything else the rest of the day like usual. So I decided to do a really glute focus workout today. I haven't done that in so long because my 3 major lift days are going to be Monday, Wednesday, and either Friday or Saturday this week. So today could be just a glute day. I love those days. And I'm wearing this crop top from H&M and Old Navy leggings, which are my fave, and some Converse. It's like sunny and the roads are dry in the city. It's going like 20 miles an hour. But it looks really pretty out. So this little burrito bowl got a little out of control pretty quickly. There's rice, black beans, a little bit of chicken because I can't resist putting in more protein. Shredded lettuce and some cheese on top. Yeah, it's gonna be insane. Hey guys, so we're all comfy and ready for bed, right?
No, not bed.
Not bed. But we're all showered by like 6:40 and in our pajamas.
No,
come here, buddy.
not myself.
All right. And the Patriots lost, and the Panthers are winning right now, 17-0. So today's a good day, at least so far. I got some stuff done for the blog, and then my cleaning done, and yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. Mostly just really tired.
My one is off.
Ooh, say goodnight.
Good night. But my one sack off. You say good night, one sack.